guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cover photo for your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to delete this one, and I'm just going to click to edit cover. Then it's going to get the video, hold on. Then it's going to basically get the clip from your videos, and you can select whichever part you want to be the cover photo, for instance this one, or you can even get one from your files. Then you're just going to select edit, and you're going to select the thumbnail that they have. They have a lot of options now, which is really cool. Before, it didn't really have a lot of options. Maybe let's say this one. Wait, which one did I? Okay, I'm just gonna leave the title because I don't really have anything to edit. Sorry, I can't close that. You can change the font here, you can change the space, the word spacing, and you can make the text a little bit smaller because that's really big. You can also add in stroke, glow, curve. You can add presets to the text, the opacity of the text, and you can arrange it here. I'm just gonna leave it like this. You can add in shapes, you can add in stickers as well. You can add in a frame if you'd like to, or a collage. That's pretty much it really. Once you're done, just press save, which is down here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!